Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, there's this dryer vent and it's in this near the kitchen, uh, like near the, that's the entrance. Come in, this is a closet door, this is some kind of a laundry area, like a closet like thing where you have a washer dryer, and then there's a vent behind here, a dryer vent, which is down here at the bottom of the floor. And essentially that's the dryer vent. It's a 4-inch diameter dryer vent where this dryer connects to it. There's this clamp, it connects to it. Essentially the dryer is not drying well. The clothes come out to be not as dried as they should, so we're thinking it might be the dryer vent may be dirty. I looked through in the dryer vent, it does seem dirty, but I don't know if it's blocked. But essentially uh, the lint should be coming out from this into that dryer vent. The main thing is I don't know where this dryer vent comes out of the house. It this is a wall which is an interior wall, and I'm not sure if there's some like wall space. It comes out. This is a condo, a two-story condo, townhome. So essentially that dryer vent comes into this wall here, but this is not an exterior wall. So I'm wondering how this comes. Does it go up like this and then comes out from there? I'm not exactly sure where it comes out, this vent. There's also a exhaust up there. So there's an exhaust fan which turns on when you turn on this. That's a light, and this is that exhaust fan. But essentially there's this vent down here and that exhaust fan, and then this bath, there's a bathroom here which also has an exhaust fan up there somewhere. Yeah, there. So there's three potential places where this exhaust, there are two exhaust fans and this one dryer vent, and essentially these are all. So I'm not sure how it comes from the bottom, the dryer vent. The exhaust fans are at the top, so those I can understand, but the dryer vent is at the bottom of the floor, and I don't know if it just comes up through this wall and then comes straight out like this. And then if I go out from the back door, essentially I see, let's say, AC secondary line, drain condensation line pipe, air conditioner secondary drain pipeline. But essentially if I go out, this is just outside the condo. If I look here, essentially I have those three vents up there. So I'm wondering if those three vents are the three vents that two for the exhaust fan and one for the dryer vent. That's one of these is maybe for the dryer vent. I'm not sure how to find out. That's of course the AC secondary condensation drain line. So I'm not sure how to find this out, but what I'm thinking is maybe if I blow out from that dryer vent and try to see where the air comes out from, that might tell me which of these is the dryer vent one, and it also help clean out the dryer vent. If I blow out with a garden tool like a blower and fit it into that 4-inch, maybe with an adapter. So essentially that's what I'm trying to find out. Going back into the house now and trying to see how I can find that out in this dryer vent thing over here.